lot of time on this planet, and I'm trying to make sure I don't take it for granted. But when I tell people, they just don't understand it. They're like, man, why you always stressing? Why you always talking about something depressing? I'm like, listen, I'm just trying to be real. This is just the way that I really feel. There's a lot of things in this world that just don't add up, so I gotta take risk and push my luck. I ain't trying to be that guy that's stuck in a rut. That's why I'm stressing every single night, just trying to make a future that I see is bright, where I have a job that I really like, with a great woman that I call my wife, and a party that I call my life. Yeah, where I enjoy every single day, spend my time in a productive way, and I won't stress about my pay, cause I know I got it, so no worries. Yeah, but being stressed out is just part of the game. You gotta learn how to fight through the pain if you really want people to remember your name. Yeah, I stress every single day, and people wonder why I'm living this way. I tell them I gotta get it, and that's the only thing that I can say. Yes, I know my time is limited, and yes, I know that time is not endless, so I must take full advantage of the time that I am given. Alright, drop the solo. Progresses forward, I gotta watch what I'm putting my time toward. And if you bring a negativity, I gotta get the cord, cause I ain't got time to be dealing with that. And there ain't no way I'ma let you hold me back. You have to blow up the rails or throw me off the track, cause I'm steady trying to elevate my mind state, trying to make sure I minimize my mistakes, so I can decrease the amount of time it takes to get my life on the next level. Yeah, I'm living life like I'm drinking Rebel, so I'm flying high with what I wish to accomplish. When I do this music, I go all out. Maybe that's what life is all about, just trying to find something that you love to do, and putting all of your energy into, cause when the day is done and through, you'll know that you work toward the dream that you're trying to pursue. Cause life's crazy, I gotta grind daily until I finally find that I've made it. I stress every single day, and people wonder why I'm living this way. I tell them I gotta get it, and that's the only thing that I can say. Yes, I know my time is limited, and yes, I know that time is not endless, so I must take full advantage of the time that I am given. Time passes by, oh so fast, so we must treat every day as if it is our last, cause time passes by, oh so fast. As these hours passing by, I can't help but notice that the time flies, so I gotta get myself in gear, and I won't be stopped by any fears. And as I put more hours into my music, I seem to find nothing but more improvement, so I gotta make sure I keep the forward movement, cause I really cannot afford to lose it. Here for a while I've been working on my sound, and I'm pretty pleased with the form of love that I found, but I'm always trying to raise the bar. Times when it gets me and I'm waging war. I can't stop now that I got this far. I get in the zone when I write these lyrics, and I let the words flow right out of my spirit. When the chorus drops, I hope that you cheer it, so that every single person in the world can hear it. Yeah. And for those asking why I'm so stressed, simple answer is I wanna be the best. I treat every day like it's another test, just to see how far that I can progress. Cause as you know, this life's not easy. I'm trying to make sure that mine has meaning. Yeah, I stress every single day, and people wonder why I'm living this way. I tell them I gotta get it, and that's the only thing that I can say. Yes, I know my time is limited, and yes, I know that time is not endless, so I must take full advantage of the time that I